Hey, so this is my review of the Kuman SM2 robot kit for Arduino from Amazon.ca. Um, and I am giving you a brief overview of what's in the kit, as you can see. So what I'll do is I'll go over each of these components one by one and give a brief description. So the first thing that comes in the box is this battery charger. It's a AA battery charger. It charges two batteries at once. And yes, it does come with rechargeable batteries to accompany it. So there's the cable, there's the charger, and the battery. Rechargeable batteries are right here. They are 900 milliamp hours in capacity. And these things, I don't know what the quality of these is like, but AA batteries that are rechargeable are quite expensive, so I guess that contributes to the $90 price tag of this whole kit. Moving on, it does come with a CD, some sort of CD. It's probably some drivers or installation manuals. I am aware that if you go to the manufacturer's website, you are able to get help, like learn and download stuff, tutorials to help out with your experience. And moving on, the kit also does come with a few, looks like 20 centimeters or so jumper wires, and other size jumper wires as well. These are really cheap if you get them on eBay, so I'm not surprised that they include a few in there. There's also two wheels. After all, this is a robot kit. Two plastic wheels for your robot. And while we're on the topic of wheels, it also does come with a plastic caster wheel that also rotates in two directions. So there's that. I wish they included another one kind of as a spare, but I guess that it is what it is. It does come with two, looks like some sort of motors. Also comes with a cable to hook up the rechargeable batteries that I showed earlier, these batteries, to your Arduino to power the robot. Comes with one servo motor, it looks like, and I'm not sure if it's 360 degrees or it stops at certain angles. It stops at a certain angle, but I'm pretty sure it's 360 given that this is for a robot. And it seems like a few panels here. Comes with some LED display components that you can implement on your robot. Also does come with a few breadboards. So this is, to give a size comparison, I think this is about 20 centimeters. Here's an iPhone 7 Plus case. That's that for comparison. These two little breadboards come with it as well. So that is very nice. You can never have enough of these breadboards when prototyping with Arduino. Also does come with a few screws, nuts, and standoff nuts. All very convenient when building a robot. It comes with a screwdriver. It looks like pretty cheap quality, but it is what it is. It works. It'll get the job done. Also does come with a few momentary switches, it looks like. I forgot I was off camera. But there are the momentary switches and a few Phillips screwdriver cutouts in the switches. I have never seen this before. That is quite interesting. It also does come with two large standoffs. I'm sure the CD is intended for instructions, as I talked about earlier, on how to build this robot using this kit. Also does come with an Arduino Uno, obviously not authentic, but there's literally no difference between authentic Unos and authentic Arduinos and non-authentic Arduinos, because they use exactly the same components. It's just the quality of components, which often prove to be the same as same quality as the original. Here's a remote to control one of the boards, I believe. that you can program into your Arduino code, so you can control the robot with it. It has come with a few LEDs, several 10k ohm resistors, two 20 ohm resistors, and 1k ohm resistors. You can get a bunch of these resistors, just like jumper wires, online for cheap on eBay. So that's that. It does come with a liquid crystal display to interface with your robot. Also does come with one ultrasonic ultrasonic sensor, HCSR04. It's a very common part. I wish they included a few more for spares in case this one is defective, or it's always nice to have spares if you want to throw in another ultrasonic sensor to detect distances from objects in another direction on the robot. Also does come with a few, looks like photoresistors in there, and a few other components. And here is a pretty major component. This board is for interfacing everything on, you would basically install a lot of the components that you saw in this kit onto here to build your robot. Excuse me. Also does come with a standard USB to USB-A cable for for data transfer of your Arduino Uno for interfacing with your computer. So that's the whole kit. And it seems like $90 is a pretty reasonable price tag for this, given that, that Arduino Uno right there is around anywhere from $5 to $20. That breadboard is probably like $7 around. And like I mentioned near the beginning of this video, this rechargeable battery, pair of AA rechargeable batteries, is probably around $20, I would say, including the charger over there. So when you count all these components individually, the fact that they include a user manual, user guide, CD, I guess, that's the best way to put it, and all these little other components, I think $90 is a pretty reasonable price tag, given that you can use all of this to build yourself a nice remote controlled robot. So I would highly recommend this package. I have not used these components specifically, but I have used the manufacturer Cummins Arduino components before. I have ordered from them personally, and I have been very satisfied with them because the quality that they bring is just on par with genuine parts, in my opinion. So, all right, before I end this video, here is the packaging that it comes in. Very nice packaging. Everything was very tightly packaged. No loose components in the box, nothing getting thrown around too much. So yeah, I highly recommend the Kuman SM2 robot kit. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask away in the comments on this review on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.